Hello everybody, I'm Ishnur Kaur, the lead moderator of Debate and Discussions. And today, I want to sit back here and talk to you about something that needs to be affirmed. And that is nothing but open skies. Open skies has always been our motto from day one. And whenever we go back to square one, that is the first thing we'll ever mention: the open skies. The painting that was drawn for it, or the long posts that have been written about it. The message is simple: let the children fly. Let's carve their wings to help them fly even further in the distance of the sky. We love the metaphor of the sky because for now, it's endless, it's pure, and it's the one thing that resembles our children very, very well. Let's today make a pledge of looking up to the open sky and affirming ourselves that yes, we can fly and yes, we will fly. And the starts are simple: doing what you love to do, motivating others to do what they love to do, and not stopping anybody, because we never know where they'll end up at. Let's motivate one another, because that's how society is growing to go, which is just me and you. Let's today make the command of flying in the open sky, not being scared of what others will think, because who are these others? Do we even know them? Or is the other just a little part of our soul questioning us all the time? I don't think so. So let's buckle up our seat belts and go on this roller coaster journey to the open skies, because that's the one place where we can achieve all we want to achieve. That's it for today, and I just want to leave you with the thought: is the open sky a place we all want to be at? And if yes, why are we not on the spaceships already? So let's untie the parachutes of our minds and open them up to fly in the open sky. That's it for today. Goodbye and take care.